Hey guys, we're in our trade right now. We're looking for a dollar push down from 405 all the way to 404. We're at the top of 405 right now. We're currently sitting at $152 in this trade, being very patient. $110 off of Meta today, so that's good. I need to move this so I can go to QQQ. Get in my car. All right, we need this to extremely drop through these 80s. It's actually holding really slow. If I gotta get out, I'll get out and take my couple $100, which is also great. Mute the music here. But what we're looking for is a plummet in the next 4 minutes through these 80s. We have to hit the 75-cent area in order to start getting that kick off. But right now, we just got to get through these 80s. If we push up through the 90s, I'm out of here. I'm ready to take my trade and get out. But it should be an aggressive push down through the 80s. We keep holding this 80s level. We got to break the 80s. Right now, we're trending up. I hate when we do this bouncing stuff. Let's go to the hour and see what we're looking like. All right, green to start the hour. We need to break 77 cents. That should take us back red. Once this goes red, we're good, but we need it to stay red. That's where the problem is coming in. We got to break this 80-cent area. Heading to the post office right now from my main business. You know, looking for a good trade here. We've had plenty of weakness over the last hour or so. I got in at the max, so I'm good there. But we really need this to pull it down through these 90s and these 80s, and it's holding so strong. That's very annoying. I don't want to see this pop through the 406 area. We got about 3 minutes before it really kicks off. Turn off my Wi-Fi. So we got about 3 minutes before the trade really kicks off. At 11:06, 11:07, we should really see what we're doing. But I need this to stay down in the 80s or lower. And it keeps bouncing up to these 90s, which is also a little nerve-wracking. But we're up 12% right now. We've got a little bit of wiggle room. We got in at the max. We don't want to see this climbing up. I hate it. I especially don't want to see it leap up. That's the only thing. Climb, slow climb, fall, slow climb, fall. That's all good. I don't want to see this thing leap up. Sometimes you gotta take your profit, so keep your eye on that. This guy's driving slow in front of me. Heading to the post office. So if the 89-cent area is all it's gonna give me, that's all it's gonna give me for the hour. I'd at least like to see a 50-cent push. Still at 11% for the day. Still at $52 on this trade, so we're still good. You do have to be super patient. We are above the 90 MA now, which is what I don't want to see. I want to see us come down to that 90 MA again. 90 MA has moved down so far. The RSI is pretty decently high. But you can always see a spike up. And that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a steep drop down. Turning red for the hour would be beautiful. Let's get red for the hour before that 7-minute mark so people don't get excited and start jumping in on these trades. I see it wants to stay below 406, so that's always good news as long as we stay below 406. 1 more minute. We're sweating it out. We're sweating it out. Come on, baby. Give me that hard push at 11:06. There we are. 80 cents again. Let's go all the way through the 80s. This thing is fighting, boy. It's fighting good. It's like a fish. It's like you got a fish on the line, and that bad boy is fighting, and it's pulling, and you're pushing. It's pulling, and you're pushing. You know, you got to reel that bad boy in. Here we go. Let's hit through the 80s. 1 more minute left to go on the clock. Like I said, if we got to take 200, we'll take 200. But we're looking for that nice play right now. We've been waiting all morning. It is 11:06 a.m. my time. There we go. 83. As soon as we cross that 81 cent to 80 cent, it is on and popping. I love this, you guys. I mean, this is so exciting. This is so much fun. You know, it's not like gambling because I can get out at any time, and there we go. We see it falling steep through my prices. I like it. I like it. Keep on rolling through the price action as fast as possible. We are currently right on the hour. That brings us up to 20% on the day, and we're just going to see where this goes. Once we get below that 90 MA, we should be good. We should be cooking. Come on, give me down to 50 cents. Get me to the 50 cent. Got to be very careful in a parking lot with a lot of people dropping off packages. So we got 69 cent. Get me down to 50 cent at the very least. Let's go. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. Let's see where we're at for the day. 20% puts us at $342. Happy with that. Don't have to be greedy, but we are being patient because we are right on the hour. If this climbs up through these 70s too aggressively, I will get out of the trade. That's my rule of thumb. If we get through like a certain amount, like very fast, like we move 30 cents up away from my trade, I'll get out of the trade. If we stay pushing down, then I'll stay in the trade. 21%. Let's get to that 50 cent. 50 cent is the key mark here. 50 cent's the key mark. Oh, we're almost there. Once we cross through 50 cent, yes, sirree, Billy Bob Jolene. Come on. We broke 50 cent. Now we can fall. And you see that instantly put us at 25% of our trade, which is $500. So start taking these packages to the post office. This is cool because I can actually, you can do this on the run. 50 cent's been the low of the hours now. If we can break that 50, that would be super dope. We can break this 50 cent area, that would be amazing. Back into the 50s. Falling. Packages for the post office. So you can run a business and you can day trade at the same time. It's windy outside. Sorry for the wind. Dropping packages off at the post office and day trading. Come on. Living the dream. Living the dream. We break this 50 cent area, this thing is going to plummet, so I'm looking for that to happen. Right there. Thank you so much.
That's the best way to do it.
You guys have a good day. It's on it. So we went back up past 60 cents. Gotta be patient here. You can't jump out of your trade too early. You want to stay in your trade as long as it's below the 9 EMA, which it is currently. We're holding and climbing. 21%, 322. Now the key is don't lose your profits though. Trying to wait for something to happen. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Just don't lose your profits. But you can see that we're weaker than we are strong as far as going up goes. So we keep getting these boosts down. We need to break this 50 cent area. Once we break this 50 cent area, that is when the real magic happens. My strike price is 405 exactly. So if we break 50 cent, I get a leap basically. Right now, I'm just being patient. We're still very early in the hour. Let's see us break this area right here. And I am going to take the long and slow way home so that I can drive safe and still kind of check my phone periodically. It's key. You can do this while driving a truck. You just got to be safe. Have your alerts set, right? So that your alerts tell you when to make your moves. Come on, break 50 cent. We're not leaping up, but we are pressing down. That is always good to see. That is always a strong positive when you're in this type of trade and you turn this heat off because it's 1,000 degrees. Come on, 2 more cent, baby. 2 more cent. Go all the way down to 404 for me. Getting in the traffic, merging, gotta look right. We are in the traffic. Okay, we are down to 51 cent. We have broken 50 cents. This is beautiful. I love doing these trades because I like to show people that you can do this in any circumstance, in any situation. And as you can see, we instantly jumped up to 28%. 28% of our trade is $462. We are more than happy to take 500. I need to go back to QQQ. All right, so there's a leap up off of that 47 cents area, so that is a key area to watch again for us to go back down there and then springboard off of that 47 cents. But you see we're falling faster. When you fall faster, you now know that you're kind of going through the areas that you really want to keep an eye on. So I would go here. I would go to click on this. I would click close selected. And what you want to do is you want to set it to market so that you can get out as fast as humanly possible as soon as you get down to those lower areas. So as you can see, we're going up 1 cent. We get past 50 cents and there's a little leap. And as long as it continues to go down, we'll climb. If we can get out of here with like a 70-cent pickup, that would be amazing. If we can get the full $1, that would be just, oh my gosh, so incredible. If we can get the full $1, that would be incredible. We are in the 40s and we are strong in the 40s. If we break 30 cents, we're almost to $1 there. As soon as we cross through these 30s, we are in the 70 cents area. I actually need to go get gas. You know what? I'm going to turn around and head and get gas so you can be running your errands. I'm going to go fill my car up right now. You know, run your errands, you know, fill your car up on the stock market's dime. We are in the 30s now. This is so cool. That's $1,300 there. So we get down to those 30s and we bounce out of there again. I might take it. Late 40s, push it back through. So we don't want to get to 50 cents again. We want to stay down here below the 50s. So we now see that our area is the 40s. Get back down to them 40s. Come on, cross back into the 40s. Don't stay above 50. We stay above 50, we got to get out because 50 can run very, very fast. The 50s can run very fast, so you have to be very careful about that 50-cent area. A little pushback is nothing major, but a big pushback is negative. You see, as soon as you hit these 50s, you start looking to get out of your trade because you don't want to hit 60 cents. Let's see if we can get back down. Oh, we're 60 cents. Getting ready to sell. You see that dramatic leap when you get into the 70s? See, as soon as you got into the 70s, how much it went down. So we're going to sell here. And we're done for the day. We got to take our 252. Can't let that run all the way back up. Dang it, wanted a nice trade, couldn't get it, couldn't wait. It's all good, we got 252 on the day. So you see the play works like, you see it go down to a certain area, you see it bounce there and bounce up aggressively, you get out then. So you lose $100, $150, not taking that quick close, but that's still a very good trade.